What's going on, Stacks? Hello, we should be live. Hello, test.
Testing 1, 2, 3,
Oh, good
4.
morning.
Alexa, mute living room TV, please.
Good morning. I'm telling you, GameStop closes at 180 today. We were at 179 pre-market. Even AMC pulled back. 46.
Yeah,
Morning, Kevin. Yeah, it didn't do too much pre-market regardless.
didn't.
Let's see,
Even though
BB.
CNBC's been sitting there saying, "Oh, it's gone down 25% overnight," or whatever since this morning. Actually, it was saying pre-market. It's gone
Mm-hmm.
down 20. No, they're conveniently leaving out all the bullshit that happened last night after hours. But hey, whatever.
It's CNBC.
Yeah, they're gonna do what they do.
That side for AMC is still 18.9%. That number's probably not gonna change. What's going on, I Chicken? It's been a minute. We're not
It's
seeing
been
nothing.
several minutes since we last seen him
Yeah,
or her.
right. Oh, what's going on, Morats? Football day today, huh?
Oh, okay. Y'all got to get this bet worked out in public on right here. So I want to see what happens. Though Ralph did come up with something really, really interesting yesterday. If he wins, what was that again, Ralph?
Was it he has to publicly make a video admitting that AMC
That's
outperformed
right.
GameStop percentage-wise
Yeah,
year to date?
right. Has outperformed GameStop year to date. Yeah, that would be cruel, but it was that, or you burn a jersey, a Cowboys jersey. So
Or
I don't think.
GameStop?
Now, GameStop he could do. I mean, hell, that's $20. Replace it. The Cowboys jersey would be a bigger deal.
Morning, Ruben. You want a
You
video of
want a
life?
video of lies? Look, math doesn't lie, Morantz. I'm sorry, but AMC stock wise has. I mean, it has. It's outperformed GameStop.
Dogecoin has outperformed everything. Yeah, like I'm seeing these tweets come through. GameStop falls 9.4% after a wider than expected second quarter loss, but we're pushing here.
Yeah, but
183.
but bet 25% better sales. The loss is wrapped up in all of the crap they got rid of, all the debt they got rid of, having to buy out the executives with their golden parachutes. Let's see, they broke ground, or initiated a new lease on a new fulfillment center. They initiated a lease on a new call center. Um, they have they've committed to a lot of expansive things, expansion type things. So yeah. Now if you factor all that crap out, they made money.
SPRT coming down again. This one was up power hour and after hours at 25. And look at it come down quickly. Again, another mini pump and dump. Didn't you call this a dead cat bounce yesterday?
I'm sorry, what?
Spurt SPRT,
What
the
about it?
dead cat bounce.
Yeah,
But you said you'd also play if it falls down to $5, so we'll patiently wait for $5 on that. AMC has to keep on going up.
I think Tesla will come down to
No,
$6.94 before that'll come back down to five.
it'll never happen. Never. Look at AMC. We have higher lows forming. If we crack under 45 today, things are not gonna look good tomorrow. AMC is an anchor, says Kyoto.
Yeah, Kyoto is sitting there trolling.
Let me log into this really quick. 46 still. Let's look at Tesla really quick. I'm tired of looking at AMC. This stock doesn't go up. It's boring to me. What did you say it was gonna come down to?
What, Tesla? $6.94.
This is probably gonna hit 800 next week. Apple's still going to 160 next week. That's still my little price target there before we initiated some short position. The iPhone 13 hype. It's gonna bring it to 160s. Let's look at NQ. Green. SPY. Green. The high being 454. We haven't seen a new high this month, have we? I think we saw one on September 1st, actually. GameStop still at 182. Darth, remember when AMC ripped up to $70 and it halted on the way up? That would be the bet. The Morans has to make a video publicly admitting that AMC outperformed the GameStop. And Kyoto says, what happened with GameStop when AMC was frozen? What did happen? I don't remember.
When AMC was frozen,
At 70.
GameStop gapped up.
When AMC was halted.
Yeah, GameStop gapped up.
Because
The algorithm got all screwed up, and since it couldn't buy AMC, it turned around and started buying GME.
what I remember is that the only time we saw 70 on AMC, I think, was pre-market before Adam Aaron dumped on everybody, and then they got halted on the way down to like $30. Yeah, Ortex on Twitter, they also triggered a short squeeze on ATER, by the way. Ter.
Yeah, I pulled a chart on that this morning. It looks like it's got some momentum behind it.
Yeah, look, it's already pushing. We had 860 dip, and now we're at tapping 940. Look at the momentum on this.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at.
This one has an SI of, let's take a look at the most reliable source for short interest data, Ortex, 67%. Eric says he loaded up yesterday.
Well, loaded up is relative to your account. I mean, if it's a vast majority of your account, then yeah, you load it up. If it's relative to whoever's account it is. But he's probably made a good bet on that one. Just depends on if he exits 25, 30, 35% or whatever, how long he holds it.
I have an alert on this one just in case. And I want to watch this one. AMC's being bipolar, still down 2.5%. If this cracks 45, tomorrow we're in for some pain. GameStop 182. Murat says he wants to sell costs. I don't think cost is moving. Yeah, look at this, no volume. I don't think you could even sell Morans.
Oh, good Lord. Anybody will buy it.
I'm just messing with them. AMC, it's coming down. Let's see if this brings GameStop down. Under 46.
The earth is flat.
Volume on cost is just 7,500. Looks like we're bouncing off the pre-market low here for AMC. Oh, I spoke too soon. 45.60. Let's take a look at the heat map. GameStop is pulling back. Not bad of a heat map. 180 for GameStop. Usually the days after earnings for GameStop closes red, so we'll see. My guess is 180 close.
Good morning, John. Good morning, Keith.
Morning, John. Robert's version of loading up is hundreds of thousands of shares. Absolutely. He is right. It's relative. Loading up to somebody can mean one share, right? You all in?
That's true.
Like I'm
That's
going
why I said
all
it's
in on
relative.
Dogecoin.
Excuse you?
Nothing.
You're gonna buy Dogecoin? Is that what I just heard? You are going to buy Dogecoin?
Alexa,
Dude,
I'm just messing with you. Oh, wait, wait.
don't even.
Spurt is taking a big poo-poo this morning. Down 5%, still sinking. Probably going to bounce off of 20s, the low 20s. 21. But this is what we were talking about, the little mini dead cat bounces it's gonna have as soon as it comes down. It'll probably never hit 59 again, but on the way down it's gonna have some little micro squeezes, little micro bounces. Let this come down, let this settle down. Let's see AMC, what are we doing AMC? 45.70.
Angry Garden Gnome, I think we all argue about AMC and GME just to keep it, just to keep the chat active.
Let's keep
because
some
we're
drama in
watching,
here, man. Like,
because we're watching some boring shit. So
that's like
you got to talk about something. Marantz has it right. Just go off on tangents talking about this,
let's
that,
talk
and the
about the
other.
flat Earth. It's like it's September. If you would have told
Yeah,
me January 1st, yo, you're gonna be talking about this stock, AMC, for the rest of the year, I'd be like, you're
you
crazy,
wouldn't
man. I'd
believe.
be like, get out of here. Like, not even, I don't even do that with Tesla anymore, you know? It's like, but here we are, 9 months in. Morning, Elmo. What does that mean, BDE?
Oh, if I know.
Rob got that BDE well status. Oh. Oh my God, never mind. I won't ask that.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I thought it was like
Mm,
some financial acronym. I don't know.
I had no clue either, so that's all good.
I'm ex
I mean, back to what we were talking about. Why would we argue about AMC, GME? Well, we could always throw in some other, meme stocks and argue about those. So, you know, I mean, it's all in fun. It's all for entertainment anyway. So, and we got to keep ourselves entertained.
right. Gardenome says, I'm excited to celebrate 1 year watching these meme stocks. When is the official date? Would it be
Be
January 27?
January. Yeah, I would think it'd be January 27.
Nice little AMC bounce here. Hopefully we see the same thing with the GameStop. But usually if the
Hopefully, we
stock
see
is
some
really weak,
strength in it. Hopefully, we see some strength in that AMC bounce.
exactly. Usually if the stock is really weak, you'd see a bounce like what we're seeing right here to 45.90, and then it'll just come right back down to like a lower level, 45.60s. Let's see if it actually holds.
Oh, good Lord, Boker, you're just really trying to be a troll, aren't you? Because nobody likes that stock.
I like Hood. Let's see.
You do not.
Hey, it's outperforming GameStop and AMC today. It's a good sub, 30%.
Oh, good Lord. Then buy it.
I'm
Then
not
buy it.
gonna buy
Low
it.
up, up, and
I'm not
up.
gonna buy Hood. Uh, Eric says I'll buy AMC at the end of the day because it will hit 44. 44. See, I was thinking 44 like tomorrow, not today. I know myself, says John. I've enjoyed the entertainment, the opinions, and how to process what's going on in the market with you too. Man, it's crazy how this community has really changed, like from January to now. I think people care less now about like all the drama and
We,
like the FUD.
we've been through so much shit, so much
Yeah.
manipulation. We just, we don't even care what the price is hardly anymore. We'll just argue about it, just for general purposes now.
Hmm.
I mean, it's like in the military. You sit there and razz on your squad mates, and you just keep fucking with each other just because you can. You're bored out of your damn mind, so you just screw with each other.
What would happen if I mean we're like September of next year, right? 2022, and the stocks are at the same levels. Can you just have you ever thought about that? Like, what if the stocks are trading around the same levels like we're seeing now? Like
Well,
just sideways
see
trading, choppiness.
I haven't. Well, see, the thing is GameStop has been going up each cycle, each quarter. It's been going up as far as the bottom is concerned. And we'll see what happens on this one because this one has been just a totally different animal from the last two. If it still bottoms out, $16 or $18 more than it did last quarter, then at least we'll know we're still going in the right direction, even though the games are still being played. AMC, I haven't really looked that close at it to find if there's a pattern to it. Um, I don't know what to think about AMC. I don't have an opinion on that. If it's still trading at this level next year, this time, hey, it's got some support. It's got some legs to it. So I mean,
Mm-hmm.
it's better than it going back down to 5 or 8 or 12.
Most
So
definitely.
I mean that would be a huge plus. Well, a huger plus would be to go ahead and keep on going back up to above 50 and 70 again. But we'll see.
Yeah, if it's trading sideways for who knows how much longer, I think it would be a great idea to start buying in, like slowly but surely buying in. Because the longer this trades sideways, the longer it holds support, there's gonna be a rip. That's exactly what happened in earlier this year. It just traded sideways for around 9, $12, and it had that crazy 70 rip. So it's doing exactly what we talked about right now, pulling back down to the 45, 60 level. This is literally not holding the bounce, looking weak. Let's see if it cracks.
Hey
Felix
Ralph,
says,
I'm here this morning. I
"Oh,
have a
what's going on? Good
question.
morning."
Yeah, and good. Hey, excuse me, trying to catch while I drive. Hey, so this bet we're about to have for the
Hmm.
Cowboys and the Buccaneers, I know I'm going
Absolutely.
to keep it one. I like the idea of eating sushi from 7-Eleven. I like that. That was pretty cool. But I don't want to throw. I ended up watching the chip challenge. So there was a guy who ate the hottest chip or whatever, and you
Oh
can buy it
my.
like in a bag and eat it. Hey, I'm not shying away from this stuff.
No, I thought you were gonna make me do that because you know I hate spicy food.
No, vice versa. One of
Oh,
us can do it. Um, I'm down for whatever. I just need to know where your mind is. Because I mean, I have a feeling we're gonna win the football game, so I'm not really worried about like whatever you want me to do because I don't have to do it anyway.
uh. All right,
But
all right.
I just
I
need to know if you're down for something like that.
the hot chip challenge might be a flip flop because I actually had a thing. Is it called like the Reaper, something like that? The chip?
One of
'Cause
them where
I
there's like one chip in a bag and
exactly, yeah,
that's
it's
it.
one chip. I had a friend who did that, but the chip was so stale and old that it wasn't even spicy.
Oh well, then you'd get lucky if that were the case.
Yeah, it was not even spicy at all. Um,
So I thought about that. I thought about shaving my head.
oh
I
wow.
thought about,
You
yeah,
already
I mean,
you
All right,
already
you
have
can
a
shave your
head.
head, but
that's
on the
it.
left side, tell your barber to put AMC on the side.
Oh, there you go. Yeah,
Oh
to
man,
etch AMC
you got
into
an
this. Yeah,
okay, AMC on the side of my head. Oh, man, that one's pretty good. Um,
Well, on
I
stream
have
you're
to think,
just
man. I
looking
have to think.
directly, so just don't turn your head.
No, I mean, I got to make a living. You know, have a life outside of the damn YouTube. Uh, well, I got to see if the Cowboys are going to lose first. So I'll tell
Oh,
you this: I'll leave an open invite to you. So if the Cowboys do lose, well, then you have your pick of it, and we'll pick something. But
your mic cuts
I'm
off.
so excited. And as
you're in
far
a
as it goes,
you're in a bad area.
heck,
You're in a bad area. You
Or
keep cutting out.
or maybe your favorite food is already 7-Eleven sushi. Maybe you love it. I don't know. These stocks just ripped up out of nowhere. Did you see that?
I'm watching it.
I think they like the bets. I want to see what the chat has to say.
Man, sometimes they get disconnected. Sometimes they are in sync. This is
This was weird. This rip on AMC and GameStop happened at the same time. Did you notice that?
and so's the pullback.
Yeah, it's like I was watching this while Rance was talking. I was like,
prep
what?
my body and my brain.
Marantz,
And I'll see
your
you
mic
guys
is just cutting off,
tomorrow. I'm
Marantz.
gonna have the game going.
Can you hear him?
Morant, you're in a bad area, bud. You're bouncing between towers.
It did, you know.
First Stroming challenge. What? I'm not even sure we want to look that up. That sounds weird.
Marantz said, I mean, Saxelot says you already know what I told you last night. Yes, you did. I remember. I think he said that if you see a random spikes for GameStop 200 AMC 50, then it's probably some else covering. Stay there, Moran's GameStop is running. What's going on,
Oh, that's
Rich?
your mom. Good morning, Rich.
Eric says the same thing. The morning pump before the shorts come in and drop the price. That'd be interesting to see. They're gonna drop this back down because that was quite an odd pump, to be honest. And at the same time that GameStop is having its pump.
Well, I said that it's probably going to end the week around the Max Payne.
Grim Reaper chip. It's this one. This is the one he's talking about. It's just literally just one.
Oh, good God.
It looks terrifying, right? It looks lethal.
No, I'm just trying to say one chip. I'm afraid to even look at what it might cost.
Like $30, I think.
Are you?
Oh
Are
wait, I don't
they
know.
insane?
I don't know. Let me see Amazon. Oh, 12 bucks, $19 for one chip.
Oh, good God. Somebody's insane.
Yep, $19. It says it was $38, so you save $19. You save 50%. I'm looking at the reviews on Amazon. It says warning may cause intense stomach pains, and he left 1-star review. The second one says expired food. I'm telling you, look, they got an item and it said it expired 2018, almost a year ago, according to when they bought it. That's why it's not spicy. It's expired. It's old. Oh, we got Warren Buffett in the chat.
You know,
Pumping
we got
BB.
somebody that's sitting there. Do it one more time, and I'm putting you in timeout.
$19 for one chip sounds like an NFT. At least you get something tangible, right? Not a JPEG. ATER. I'm still watching this. I'm still watching this. It comes with the whole box and stuff. There are multiple bags of chips in there with one hot chip. No, it's just one Cardinal, I believe. The SI just went up. Okay, let's see. No, it's still at 68. Coming back down to 46.
You guys are both in California.
Marantz and I?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Y'all should do the hot wing challenge.
I'd lose so easy. I can't eat spicy food, and I'm Mexican. It's in my blood to eat spicy food.
You are
How you
not
can't?
Mexican. You're Canadian. We've established that. You you like maple or some garbage like that.
I
Ugh.
do actually.
See, you're a Canadian. You're
I
not
need
a
to do my
Hispanic.
stupid DNA test.
You too, because you're not Hispanic.
There has to be some Canadian blood in here somewhere.
Yeah, like 99%.
Oh,
I bet you're the only one in your family that doesn't like spicy foods.
honestly, yes. That's probably a yes, a big yes. They're probably ashamed of me, to be honest.
They probably are. You're the adopted black sheep of the family, the redheaded stepchild. Oh, good Lord.
I actually need to do that test, to be honest. What's a good one? Ancestry. There's also like my 20 my was it my 20
You know,
23
23
me.
and me.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
23 me. I'm hella Italian and I can't take garlic. Says John, you see it? Morantz will do anything but admit the facts about AMC GameStop chart. Says thanks a lot. Well,
Yeah,
If the Cowboys lose tonight, Moran said he's willing to do a couple things. I think Morantz loves 7-Eleven sushi. But why would he do that to himself? He's recovering
I
from
don't.
the
I
Rona. Why
don't
would he
know.
do that to himself?
Especially when he's still trying to fight. Well, he wouldn't be able to taste it for one.
Oh, you're
But
right.
his stomach. I mean, okay, so maybe he throws up once or twice. Okay, so maybe that's the easy way out, but he couldn't taste it, so that wouldn't be. I mean, I could understand that. And the spicy chip challenge probably not a good idea because he probably couldn't taste it.
Well, that's cheating.
No, that's just taking an advantage that you didn't catch.
Yeah, thanks for bringing it up now.
Well,
I think that was exactly what his plan was. He literally is trying to murder his taste buds or get food poisoning.
COVID already murdered his taste buds. If he ever gets it back, it's been over a year for me, and I ain't recovered yet.
So you still can't taste yet?
Oh, I can taste, but it's been completely altered. Foods I used to like and love, I can barely taste.
Wow. See, Tesla's pushing or what? Eh, not really. We're still pretty much trading sideways on these stocks. The strip didn't really sustain.
Nope.
I do spicy, not hot. What's the difference? Spicy is hot in my book. Anything that makes your stomach hurt. No taste, but still burns. LOL. Sava, it's moving. It's bouncing, Rob. 50. Sava's back at 50. Still needs that gap to close. We're still looking for 70 on Sava. It's up 9% today. The real test comes up mid 50 level. Because that it just can't hold 50s, mid 50s. We'll see what happens with Sava. I'm not gonna get too excited yet. Zoom, another one that's still kind of can't hold 300. Almost panic bought at 185. Says Crypto Bird. Exactly, Keith. I'm with you on that one. Like a little spiciness is good, right? Gives it some taste, opens up your appetite. But when you're literally just like, you can't freaking enjoy your food because it's just so hot. You can't taste your food, and not just that, the stomach pains you're gonna have. Did you guys hear about Reddit going public? Possibly, yes, I did. I thought that has been in the talks for quite some time, no? Since like January. Do
It
you?
has been.
It has been, right?
Yeah, but it's been especially, yeah, I mean, it's been talked about a lot more this week, or last week or two, actually.
Eric says Seraph is doing bell to bell today, right? That's possible. Well, the game's at 4, right? 4 p.m. here. 4 or 5 p.m. I think 5 p.m.
We,
So
yeah,
if
I think
if
five.
the Cowboys win, I'd probably be doing bell to bell tomorrow, which would suck. But I'm still trying to figure out what Morantz would do. I don't know, Crypto. There is no date on the IPO for Reddit. Wouldn't it be so hilarious if Wall Street Bet starts pumping Reddit on Reddit, or they do some like squeeze play on that? Right now, it's basically at its past average price with the squeeze potential. I can eat the spiciest shit on the planet, but garlic gives me heartburn like a motherfucker. I love garlic. That's gonna be the next item on the menu once GameStop goes back to the 300 range. It's not gonna be an onion. It's gonna be a garlic. Reddit won't go public. It's a garbage company, as it is. What do you think, Rob? Garbage company or not?
What, Reddit?
Yeah.
Oh, I think it's got its. I don't know what they would base it on. Their ad revenues. the ads that they kick in. I don't know what they would base their
It's like another Facebook.
fundamentals on.
The ads they have on there, I think they have like a membership, like a premium thing on there as well.
Yeah, which well, but it's only like what was it, $4 a month or something like
You
that
could
to
you
get
could
rid of
buy
that.
coins. I think you could buy coins too, or power ups.
The awards, yeah. I don't know. I mean, I think it actually. I mean, they've got the audio and the video channel, so yeah, it could work.
Moran's has to wear yoga pants and a tutu in his ice cream bell to bell. We're gonna make him go rollerblading. That's what we're gonna do. Whoa, check out the Kramer AMC tweet 45 minutes ago. Let me see. Let's go to his Twitter. Jim Kramer. See what he tweeted about AMC. He tweeted buy AMC. Yeah, that's it. It's gonna tank. AMC's coming down 100%. Oh wait a minute. Uh, The Matrix movie in December, right? He just quoted it by AMC. He got 500 replies. Let's go to the top 3 replies and read those. Can you explain what has changed with your thinking to endorse buying? I'm confused. Somebody replied, my guess is Jim Cramer is just being a sarcastic little bee because it's being released on HBO Max same days as theaters. Don't trust this. Something is up. Is he looking to pump it so the retail holds a bag for his hedge fund friends?
Probably.
Oh, they're dumping back down. People are like, welcome back, Jim. Hashtag AMC with rockets. Oh, man. Somebody replied, did you skip your drugs today, Jim? GameStop, wow.
I think he mentioned on the morning segment when he was on that, he loves trolling the Twitter crowd.
I'm telling you, it's engagement. His tweets usually get like 30 replies, 40, 50 replies. This one got 523. Why would you not troll?
Exactly.
You got attention, you know?
I mean, that's why you set up some of your titles the way you
You
do.
love my titles. You guys love my titles, don't you know?
Yeah, and I
They're
also know
clickbait.
when I read a title and I'm like, oh God, he's trolling.
And it's funny because people don't watch the videos, so they hate me.
Yeah.
The ladder attack, you mean the ladder sale? I can't believe it. They just pumped this just to dump it right back down. $10. AMC's actually the one holding 46. Moran says bell to bell. I haven't done a bell to bell in so long. Like, what would we do here? We'd have to have
Oh,
something. We'd have to like.
we'd probably go look at all the meme stocks and trash talk them and I mean, I don't know. I think it'd be fun. And you'd have a hell of a lot more people come in and out.
That's true.
There's no question about that.
But that'll be a miracle for the Cowboys to win tonight.
Oh, good Lord.
I'm glad AMC's being promoted by Kramer. Why? I take that as a bad sign.
My first thing is if Kramer says, go buy something, my first thought is
Run away.
dump it or short it. That's just me.
Don't forget thank you for reminding me. Look at this. I have one. Oh, I can't even turn my neck because my shoulder blade is like really effed up. It's not even my shoulder blade. It's the spot between my shoulder blade and my spine. What's that spot called? Somebody could tell me what that is. In 20 seconds, you win this $25 AMC gift card. Do, 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 do. Because Kyoto just bought 1,000 shares. The head. I'll make sure this is not used, right? No, it still has a little scratcher thingy on there. Let's see what's trending on Twitter. Venmo me. Matrix. The Cowboys are trending. Dallas Cowboys take. Okay. Don't need that. NFL kickoff. Howard Stern. I forgot about this guy. Howard Stern rips vaccine opponents. F their freedom. I want my freedom to live.
He's always on one side of a controversy or another.
I used to like it when he was on America's Got Talent. I used to love America's Got Talent. AMC holding 46.
Wait a minute, I thought you didn't watch TV.
This was like freaking 4 years ago.
So you did watch TV.
I would occasionally watch that. Jeopardy 2 occasionally. They came out at the same time, 7 p.m. So that would be I'd watch some of it. Or on YouTube. On YouTube they have a lot of highlights on there as well. You have to WhatsApp Ralph with the answer. And he'll send you 1 Bitcoin as an admission fee. He'll refund it when the rig draw is completed. Absolutely.
When was the last time you had one of those fake Ralphs come in?
I'm glad they're gone. I don't know. Like a month ago. They still lurk around. All right, I have the SI on here on ATR. I'm watching the ATR SI. I think it went up what 1%. Started at 67, right? So like 1 to 2%. Jeopardy at 7 p.m. That's around the time it starts. And then I stopped watching it when what's his name? Alex Trebek, he passed away. He passed away like what, like 6 months ago? 5 months ago? Sad.
Well, Spurt's bouncing back a little bit.
That's quite the admission fee for a 25. I'm just playing. I would just give these out to somebody who would comment on the videos. That was it.
Actually, it was whoever was first.
Oh yeah. Whoever. No, it was just a random. Remember, I put the link into a YouTube comment
Oh
generator, and
yeah, yeah.
it would just do refresh.
Yeah, but then you also did a couple that I thought that were first to reply.
I did
or
two.
first to
I
comment.
did two first, and just a random one. Spur is being only at the price because of the bag holders who bought at 50. That would suck if anybody is still holding this. This ran up around the same time GameStop and AMC did. Very interesting. I mean, look at the move on this. Can you believe this? 22 to 26 pop. That's insane.
Are you saying that Matt got more people to buy into it so that he could sell out? Is that what you're implying, Eric?
Matt did a good job. Anybody would do a good. If they have, how many people watch him? Like a couple thousand people watch him. He has like a 500,000 subscribers. If you have that big of an audience, all you gotta do is target a low flow stock with a high freaking SI, buy a crap ton of stock, crazy out of the money calls, and just pretend like you never knew about the stock and be like, you know what, I think I like this stock. Just pump it.
Yeah, but that's one of the things that'll get him caught for manipulation.
That's why he never. I think what did you say that they announced that he added it to his watch list?
Yeah.
He sucked the FOMO out of GameStop and AMC. See, I don't know what price he told people to buy in at. That doesn't even matter. At the end of the day, everyone's responsible for their own actions, you know? You live and you learn.
Yeah, but if you're taking advantage of people that haven't been in the market long, I find something very wrong with
It
that,
is wrong.
especially if you're profiting off of it.
It is
I mean,
wrong.
it's one thing to profit off of the ad revenue of, say, YouTube, or to profit off of merchandise, but to turn around and do that with stocks, yeah, I got a big problem with that.
Even just for me, it's like even with the whole super chats and like merchandise and like stock chats and discords and what was the other
Yeah,
one? The not the GoFundMe's, the website one where the patrons. That's the word.
yeah,
The
Patreon.
Venmos. Like I don't know. I felt like sometimes they were lying to people too. When they stopped showing their positions and stuff, all the lawyer crap. It's like, bro, you sold the stock. You just want to keep on milking the crap out of this community. You know? Like if you're gonna be selling merchandise and all this BS and taking people's money, then be transparent about it. Be real. Like you
Yeah.
said, it's one thing to profit off people, like versus doing the YouTube stuff. Like the YouTube revenue, the apes don't pay for that. Apart from their time, right? When you watch
Right.
something, you're paying with your time.
Watch,
But it's,
watching commercials.
yeah, but it's not coming out of their pocket.
Right.
That's just the way I see it. The manipulation stuff is crap. Kramer has 1.7 million followers. He just said buy AMC. That's true.
Yes, but Ravenstown, most everybody sits there and looks at Kramer and goes, "Yeah, I'm gonna do the exact opposite, or I'm gonna ignore you."
Phoenix is not gonna lie. I'd find it funny if Matt Duck shirt cores went to jail. They'd love him with his Duck shirts there. I don't think anybody's going to jail at all. Nobody is. He told people late. He said he could have told people to buy one as a $79. There is a lot of people who listen to Kramer. Like yesterday, we are watching him. There's people calling in. So there are people who watch and listen. It sounds like I've heard about BitBoy and crypto. What did he do? Is he pumping like crazy too? It's not even just him. It's probably every Bitcoin bull out there. AMC still at 45.80. Gamestop 183.
Is it gonna go back up and test 188 again?
This guy, I follow on Twitter. He's usually pretty spot on with his calls. I think the last time he called on, I don't know, it was a BBIG before it had the crazy rally. He just tweeted, SPRT with 61% short interest can easily go back to $50 if it sees volume today. Yeah, he's probably right. We're bouncing off the low 20s. Volume
Okay,
momentum is there, definitely. Let's set alerts on this bad boy.
I'm gonna toss a question out there to everybody watching. Seeing as how Eric keeps being bearish on AMC, should I mute him or ban him?
He's trolling. You're trolling too.
Yes, I am.
43.44 on AMC. I'm calling it 180 close on GameStop today. I'll stick with the 45 close on AMC, and tomorrow we might see pain tomorrow because Fridays they're usually pretty painful.
Oh, come on, Ravenstown. Neither. Where's the fun in that?
He says sell the whole comment section. He said sell. It's safe to buy. Wait, what? He said sell the whole comment section. He said sell. It's safe to buy. I'm confused on that. Imagine holding AMC for 7 months as Papa Bambino. Hey man, everyone has a different strategy.
Well, hold on. Think about it. For 7 months, you're still, and even
Yeah,
if you bought back in January, you're still up.
you're still up in the green. That too. It depends on what your price is, right? Because some people probably could have bought at 70 and they're still holding, right?
Yeah, but he said 7 months.
Yeah.
So now if he just said, but if you bought in at 50 or 70, you're still not doing, you're not doing great, but you could average down. A lot of things, a lot of different things you could do to turn a L into a W, or at least a break even.
Oh, I get it now. So he's like a Jim Cramer of crypto, right? They do the opposite of what he says.
Ah,
Now I understand your comment. I was confused on the first part around. You don't lose until you sell. That's true. That's a bad position to be in too. I got you, crypto. Yeah. See, I didn't know he had that type of the vibe, like a Jim Cramer type of vibe. I know he has a massive YouTube channel though. And I think he's also been banned a couple times off of YouTube. Ask Robert Brown that question of not losing because he didn't sell. He understands it.
absolutely.
Do you think GME will be more like a Tesla play? I really can't. I don't know. I'm not wise enough to answer that. I really not. I can't. That's a hard question.
I'm trying to think about how you could compare the two.
That's what I'm stuck at. Because Tesla took a while to squeeze. It traded flat for so long too.
Eric, I showed Ralph that long ago before I showed you, so he knows all about that one.
Tesla took forever to squeeze to the current price. Absolutely. Don't worry, Rob tries to troll AMC, but he really loves it. We all go to the movies to cry.
All?
I
No,
don't love
I
any
don't.
stock. Love is a very strong word. Like I truly did not think these stocks would be in play for this long, to be honest. I was talking about the person who said on the chats about if you don't sell, you don't lose.
Well, I know where Eric's going with that, but and there is some truth to that too, because the company can go out of business, be delisted, and you're still holding stock. So, I mean, it's just a point of learning to draw lines. You know, basically lines in the sand, and they can change, but there's an easy way to lose everything. That's just keep holding it until the company no longer exists.
Is
And
that why you
everybody's
always
gonna.
keep one share?
No, I keep one share just to keep track of the company. See if it encounters anything whatever it was I saw in the first place, to invest in it so that I
Hmm.
can buy back in again.
So right now you have one share of Mara, one share of AMC.
No, I sold my one share. I'm waiting for it to come back down to 30 to buy again.
Of what, AMC or Mara?
AMC.
Oh, you should hold one because it's going to $1 million and then you'll have $1 million. Are you talking about my Sears holdings? Exactly what he's talking about. Your Sears on Blockbuster. Well, what happens when AMC issues 500? That's a big number. 500 million more shares on January 2022. 20
They won't.
Remember
They won't.
this happened like a couple months ago, right? Where people were saying, "Oh, they'll just postpone until next year. The MOAS would already have happened and whatnot." I don't know about that now, you know? Like it's a ticking time bomb.
They won't. They can't put it. They can't put it back out there without a special shareholders meeting, which I don't think they're going to do. And their last shareholders meeting was July.
Hmm.
So that means they can't put it back on the table until July of 2022. So yeah, January ain't going to happen. They've got 34 or 43 or 47 million
46,000,
shares that they can drop. But
not million.
oh, is it thousand? Excuse me,
Yeah.
1,000. And that's not going to affect the share price one way or another.
Yeah.
Um, so yeah, that's not going to happen.
You'll buy up those shares. Who's gonna vote yes on that, bro? Trust me. Adam Aaron is a good salesman. He has a very sneaky way of brainwashing people. All he has to do is contact the YouTubers. I don't know what he does behind closed doors, but trust me, people can switch up like this. He like he said in the past call, man. They're gonna need money if they want to do all these things that people were asking questions on. What was
Well, the
that? The
funny,
Sage Technology, the website. All the people were asking the crypto and all that crap. Like merchandise. He said it's gonna take money, so we're gonna have to raise more money. He's gonna use that against people. We're good until Adam Aaron sells his shares. Hey, they're selling. He's coming, man.
that's what the 10B51 is about, or
Hmm.
105B1.
People don't want to
He's
admit
going
that.
to sell. It's coming. There's no question.
That's funny because I actually had a video on that, and people were saying that was FUD. I'm like, are you kidding me?
He announced it. He announced it in the shareholders meeting.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, are you kidding me right now? How is that FUD when it came straight from his mouth? Robert's share is the reason for this drop today. His one share caused this massive pullback. Yeah.
That's right. That's right. Just like you're selling your AMC way back when, yeah, it caused it to drop.
I was
Okay.
the catalyst. Sears
And
was 50 cents.
I think you had what, 100, 200 shares or something like that.
Had
300.
705.
Oh, okay. So yeah, that huge, uh, huge influence there. Not that 500 million or 300 million dilution. No.
No, it's me. Oh, Spurt just hit a new high. Very interesting stock. Bipolar. Yeah, Phoenix, I'm watching that. Spurt is creeping. Don't worry, Adam Aaron will hold one share for the apes.
And then he'll sell it at 1 million. Okay.
Maybe.
All right. So let's do the math on that.
I'm curious to see if he
Hmm.
announces that. When, hey, on Twitter, you know how he's always announcing crap on Twitter?
I'm going to hold one
Hey
share
guys. No,
for
no, no. If he
y'all.
says, hey guys, I sold my shares. Thank you for everything. Like, what? Does anybody know exactly when his birthday is? Like the 20 something?
Okay. That would put the market cap for AMC at $500 trillion.
Oh, what flow?
If one share was worth 1 million, that would put the market cap at $500 trillion.
It's actually like 517 trillion because that's what the float is right now. Like
Yeah, but
517.
you get my point.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no.
500 trillion. Think about that for a second.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
debt. What do we, what's the debt load right now? Like 29?
for AMC.
No, for economy, United
Oh
States.
shit. 29, 30. I thought it's over 30 trillion now. I thought.
30 trillion. AMC would be worth 517, 16 trillion. September. It's sometime this month. It's not December 25, Phoenix. Oh my gosh. Wait. This just
Oh,
sold for 24 million. Bored Ape NFT. I'm gonna screenshot this, and now I have this for free.
yeah, you have an NFT.
Yep. I know people are gonna come on here and be like, "You know, that's not how it works. You can't sell it." Look what Kyoto said.
Oh, I'm
You're,
a shill.
you know,
Yeah.
it's gonna
Okay.
be one gorillion a share.
Oh, good Lord. All right, I freely admit to being a shill in that case. Yeah.
The NFT craze is crazy. Yeah, it's really nuts. I'm telling you, I'm sleeping on my own idea. My own NFT is literally a pile of crap. That's it. It's gonna sell. People are paying 26 million, 60 million for a freaking rock. Lucid is about to break 20. Yeah, this stock is freaking barely bouncing back. I'm still stuck at 31. Apes, come and help me. I'm just not gonna watch the stock. Don't plan to sell anyways.
Uh-oh, you're fixing to get shut down, bud.
I've reported Ralph to YouTube for copyright for stealing that NFT gorilla. Uh, Morales is going live twice today. He's gonna watch the Cowboys lose later, so he's gonna stream that, and then he should be live like in.
Well, I don't think he's going to stream it. I think he's just going to be commenting while he's watching it on his TV. I don't think he wants to get into that kind of thing. Copyright.
Ralph, just pull up a four chart. You want me to have four charts on here?
You won't be able to see squat if he does that.
Uh-oh. ATER. Coming.
And besides, if he wasn't constantly switching, between stocks, y'all would get bored.
Look at this. I'm gonna have some alerts on this just to see just so we can actually see some movement, some action. I'm not gonna have a stock where it's just trading sideways, you know? Like right now, ATER is looking a little bit more exciting than AMC. I'll set alerts. If I get the alert triggered, I'll go back to the stock. I was never I used to do that as well. I was never a fan of having like 50 bajillion freaking charts on the monitors, because at that point your attention is just scattered everywhere.
Besides, you'd also fall asleep if you weren't always changing charts around.
Oh yeah. We're gonna end it here, actually, guys. So hopefully we don't do a bell to bell tomorrow, because that would be painful. A bell to bell is possible tomorrow, guys, if the Cowboys win tonight.
So you're going
It's
to be in. You're going to be in on his live with the football game, and y'all can determine what the actual bet is going to be. Is that what I'm understanding? Because y'all haven't come up with the bet yet.
there's so many things for him to do. Sushi. There's a freaking hot chip. There's him shaving his head with the AMC logo on the side. There's him publicly putting out a video stating that AMC outperformed GameStop year to date.
I think he
Um,
finally said. I think he finally said anything but that.
yeah, because that's painful. That's probably the worst one. The video publicly admitting oh, what is that?
Some
Let me Google this.
Nordic canned
How do you
rank
pronounce
fish.
that? Surströmming. Oh, this looks like sardines in a can, which are actually good, by the way.
Oh
What
God,
is
you are
this?
Canadian.
High protein, baby. I like the AMC outperforms GameStop video. Yeah, because it's on YouTube, man. It's this. See, I could do this. This is not bad. I can't eat spicy stuff, but I think I have a pretty strong. Why is this guy throwing up? Oh, never mind. Amazon's starting to move. It's the smelliest food in the world. You need to open it outside. It's that bad, really? All right, guys. Well, I'll be on his stream 4 p.m. I believe that's when the game starts, 4 or 5 p.m. And we'll see what happens. BlackBerry is running. We'll give it one last quick little glance. Nice, it's almost up 5% today. Well, AMC and GameStop just stay quietly flat. Telling you, I think it'll be a flat day today. 180 close for GameStop, 45 close for AMC. Yep, that's gonna be the bet. If the Cowboys lose, Morantz is gonna have to publicly come out on YouTube and have an emotional video, and we'll come up with a title. It'll be the truth about it. What's a catchy title? Let's see. Gotta put my YouTube
an
clickbait cap on.
emotional video.
It'll be like
An emotion?
I'll make the thumbnail for him. I'll come up with a catchy ass title that'll get everybody, one of his subs, clicking. It will be like what I really think about GameStop dot 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 or something like that.
Oh
And then
Lord.
it'll just be him like with the thumbnail with his face just like putting his head down.
Eric, I think he's still driving. He hasn't, he hasn't said anything, but I have a feeling he's still driving. So it
Yeah.
may be a little bit.
He's probably hearing this, shaking his head.
I'm sitting here shaking my head, going, "Oh, good God!" And you're sitting there saying, "Oh yeah, an emotional video." I'm like, "Yeah, I don't think you're gonna like the emotion you're gonna see. It's
CryptoBird
not the
says you're
one.
adding
It's not
to
the
it.
one you're talking about.
Is
I'm sure."
It's not adding to it. That's you can't post a video without a title, right? Without a thumbnail. Title GameStop over AMC's the only play. That'll get people clicking too. All
Oh,
right,
dude,
everybody. I have to go
Phoenix.
see how I can fix my
Don't show
back.
up in Lorenzo's channel, Phoenix. Don't. I'm just warning you, don't.
I have to go get my back fixed or something. Like I can't even like bend down without my back hurting. The companies
Hey,
will merge.
welcome to my world. It's every day for me.
Oh, I don't know how you live like this.
Living's easy. It's sleeping that's the problem.
Oh, the companies will not merge. We talked about that yesterday. That's that's like the craziest conspiracy out there. You need more dragons in that story. The new ticker is I'm telling you, the new ticker, if there were to happen to be a merger, would be Game. GAME.
That one's already taken, I believe. And I just got a notice from Morantz that he's logging in. It'll take him a little bit to get his computer up and running and get everything set up, but he should be on in the next, I don't know, 5 minutes or so.
Where are you getting your information? I make information up. I am the source. Someone already has been taken. Morant wears an AMC shirt every video until the Cowboys win a game.
Well, that's an interesting one, but he can wear it inside out. He can wear it backwards. He can wear another shirt over it. So there's just too many outs on that one. He could still sit there and go, "Hey, I wore a shirt." That won't work.
That's true. Uh-oh. The algorithms are woke again. Pumping. The sources, trust me, bro.
It's not cheating, crypto.
Trust me, bro. Kramer's my uncle. Uncle Griffin. It's not cheating. We'll send him a custom shirt. We'll see what happens, guys. I still have this
You
gift
could,
card to give away. I don't know. It's just kind of here.
oh, you
Did
should
it
send him a.
expire?
If
Yes,
you
it is
if you
expired.
lose
Oh no,
if
5 years.
you lose, you should send him a PS5. That's it. Yeah.
If I can get one. Does he even play video games? No, huh? Oh, he does. He's always talking about like Warcraft or whatever the game is. League of Legends, I think is what it is.
Team
What is
Fight
that? League
Tactics
of
or
Legends.
something. Yeah, League of Legends and Teamfight Tactics.
Is it like
All right, guys, he's live.
looks like Minecraft? Then I'm a box full of rocks.
Well, he's live, but he ain't there. His empty seat is there.
Yeah, this card is worth $25, I swear. And it says it expires in 5 years.
See, I told you it expires.
I think we should wait like a couple more years for this. I still literally have, oh my gosh, AETR. Or I'm sorry, ATER is moving. I think it just broke past the hive yesterday. Oh, not really. We're a couple cents away. I still have all the Gamestop gift cards I would give away. Since doesn't even have a card anymore.
Yeah, you had more people. You had more GME fans than AMC fans, even though you bought it.
No.
Well,
I don't think I ever did.
why did you end up with excess AMC cards and no GME cards?
Because the GameStop cards were $50. I don't think they had $25 GameStop gift cards. I think like the minimum was like $50. So I'd always get a lot. But at the end of the day, it was still $300 worth of GameStop and $300 with the AMC. So that's why there was physically more AMC because they were $25 cheaper.
Oh, okay.
All right, Marantz is live, guys.
We always thought you kept them just for yourself so you could use them at the theater.
I don't. See, I forgot I even had this one, or else I would have used it. Look, it still has a little seal. I might even have another one in there somewhere.
Yeah,
I
well,
gave all
Anger
of
Garden
them.
Gnome and myself don't believe you.
I swear I'll have some. I think nobody here ever won a gift card, by the way. I think all the people who actually won things like the PS. I'm telling you, the guy I gave the PS5 to in New York, I never got a thank you or like, yo, bro, thank you, I got it, it's sick. Like nothing. It was just like the convo never continued. Just like, oh, what's your address? He lived in Canada. He had like a PO box in New York. I'd say I never got like a statement, confirmation that he got it or anything. That's sad. I have 2 shares of
Yeah.
AMC and 91 of GameStop. My portfolio is balanced. All right, guys.
Well, I've got 5,000 shares of GameStop, and I've got one. I just started with Fidelity, so now I've got another broker. So think what I've got 4 brokers and 9 accounts now.
Jeez.
So I'm diversified. All
He
right,
never
guys, Morales is live. Let's
he
end it.
never replied because he got a box full of breaks. My boys would never. My boys are the type of my boys. You know how they make their money? They do the reselling stuff with the bots. So when like when a company with like limited supply or like it's like limited inventory, like Supreme high end brands do drops, they come in with the bots. They come in and they get as much supply as possible for retail, and then they resell it for like crazy markup. That's what they do. So they did that with the PS5s at like Walmart, GameStop, all these websites, Best Buy. They would get like 20 PlayStation 5s and they would resell them like crazy. Cuz those PS5s go for like what? Like 300-400 bucks. They were reselling for almost $1,000. You get me? Yeah, they're called scalpers, by the way. Yeah. So you're making like minimum $500 a game, a console, whatever. Do the math. 500 times 20, $10,000 profit. Anyways, also carry on this. We'll figure out how to do this giveaway crap. I'll probably find another card in there somewhere laying around. So Marantz is live, guys. Make sure you check him out. Cowboys lose today, baby. Thank you so much, Rob, for hopping on.
Thanks for having me on. Oh God, I can just imagine what's going to happen over there on Morance's channel now.
4
Oh
p.m.,
God.
5 p.m., baby. Everybody go on Marantz's channel right now. Tell him the Cowboys are gonna lose. Tell him he's gonna have to shave his head and wear an AMC shirt. Peace out, everybody. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Maybe I'll see you guys tomorrow for a whole freaking day. Tomorrow might be a whole bell to bell. That's what might happen tomorrow. Peace out, everybody.